Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. I'm back with another tutorial video today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your password to your Microsoft account. So if you've been using Microsoft account with a certain password but feel like the strength of the password is really weak, or if you feel like you might forget the password in the future, so you want to switch to something else, this is what you need to do in order to change your password. This won't be possible through your Microsoft account app. So what you have to do is you have to go to your web browser and then go to login.live.com. As you go to login.live.com, you'll be able to sign into your account. So here I'm just going to enter the details of my account. So what you can enter here is your email address that you have previously used in order to sign up to your Microsoft account. So here I'm just going to type the email address. And after you type in your email address, tap on the next button. After tapping on the next button, you will now have to enter your password. So I'm just going to enter my password that I've currently set and then tap on the sign in button. After tapping on the sign in button, I will now be directed towards a page that will basically show me my own Microsoft account. So it will land me on my profile on my Microsoft account. And as soon as I land on an interface that looks pretty much like this, here you can already see that there's an option that says change password. So I'm just going to tap on the change password option. When I tap on the change password option, I am now going to be redirected towards a page that will ask me for an alternate solution to this. So I'm just going to tap on a phone number and then select my country of residence in order to give away the code that can be used before my phone number. So here now I'm going to enter the phone number, and after doing this, tap on the next button. As I tap on the next button, it says here that a certain code will be sent to my phone number. So I'm just going to wait for the code, and it looks like I've already received it. So I'm just going to open it, and here I've already received the code. So I'm just going to go back and then enter the code over here. Tap on next as soon as you enter the code, and then as you tap on the next button, here it says that you will have to verify your identity. So what you have to do is you'll have to simply type in the last 4 digits of your phone number. So here, make sure that you correctly know the last 4 digits of your phone number and then enter the number over here. Tap on send code. And there I've already received a code again. So I'm just going to copy the code now and then go back to the web browser. And now what I have to do is I have to simply paste the code over here and then tap on verify. Once I tap on verify, my identity will now get verified. So what you can do is you can either break free from your passwords, or you can just tap on no thanks. I'm just going to tap on no thanks because I can do it anytime later on, but currently I just want to change my password. So in order to change my password, I'll have to first of all enter the current password that I have been using for my Microsoft account. So here I've entered the current password, and then now what you have to do is you have to enter the new password that you want to set for your account. So here I'm also entering the new password, then re-enter the password in order to confirm that this is the particular password that you actually want to use. So here there's also an option that says make me change my password every 72 days. You can either tick mark this or just leave it like that and then tap on the save button. After you tap on the save button, wait for a certain while for all the processings to get completed. And as everything gets completed, you'll be able to view that your password will now have been changed. So this is basically how you can change your password to your Microsoft account. You can do it through your web browser. Do follow the step-by-step instructions. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also do share and subscribe to App Guide. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.